This conveyor tracking adjustment is used for Colorbotics' unique conveyors that have the 7.5 foot bend at the end of it. All of Colorbotics' unique conveyors come with the navigator system, which help track and align the belt automatically. So tracking adjustment on a Colorbotics conveyor is done with the return rollers. You want to verify that the head and tail pulleys are square to the frame. And to adjust this, it's like riding a bicycle. You stand under the conveyor, or simulate that, looking down towards the tail pulley. And if you want the belt to go to the left, you turn this way, which means you would move this side of the roller down and this side of the roller up. That will move your belt to the left. If you want to go to the right, you would turn this way, which would mean bring this side up and lower that side. The belt will go to the right. That sometimes takes 1, 2, or 3 of the rollers to do that. Another feature we offer on our unique conveyors is automatic greasers. They're good for a year, 12 months, and they're installed on both the head pulley and the tail pulley. So these pre-greasers, or automatic greasers, are set up to deliver grease over a 12-month period. So at the end of that 12-month period, or when the cartridge is empty, you simply unscrew the cartridge, put a new cartridge in, and you're good to go for another year.